Hello students, welcome back to my channel Math School. Today's video will be quite different where I'm going to talk about how to prepare for your exams in just 1 month duration and how to score 90% plus marks in your examinations. This video is for all the students who are preparing for their upcoming exams. So in today's video, I'll be giving you complete study plan for 30 days, how to allot days for each subject, smart plan to prepare for each subject, and some smart study tips. Talk about the complete study plan for 30 days to complete all our subjects just in a month. So this is a study plan where we have 4 weeks in a month. Every week we have 7 days. So the first 3 days of a week we will be studying one subject, and the next 3 days we will be completing second subject, and on the 7th day you can revise both the subjects which you have completed in 1 week. Likewise, all the 4 weeks you can follow this method where you can complete 8 subjects with revision. I have planned this study plan keeping in mind 8 subjects. If you have more subjects to study, you can plan accordingly with the number of days and subjects you have. So this is the complete study plan for a month. So let us see how to prepare for each subject. So allot 3 days for a subject. I'm sure this amount of time is enough for completing the whole subject. Again, in these 3 days, prioritize your chapters and study accordingly. So now I'm going to mention here some smart plan to prepare for each subject. So these are the important points which you have to keep in mind before you start a subject. The first and the most important point is always refer to previous 5-year question papers. Through these question papers, you will come to know the pattern of the question paper, how the questions will be asked. Then also you can mark and go through the important questions which are repeated every year. So mark down all those questions in your textbook so that you will know now what exactly you need to focus on and how it will be asked in the question paper. Before starting a subject, you have to do this and then prioritize your chapters accordingly and then start studying and finish a subject. And the second important point is, after you finish preparing a topic or a chapter, do summarize the topic by making notes of important formulas. For example, in subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, diagrams or important points like dates, events or places. In theory subjects like history, geography or civics. So writing down these notes or summarizing a chapter is very important, as it will help you guys to revise that particular chapter or topic very easily. So this is how you can prepare for each subject in the 3 given allotted days. The last 2 days of a month which are left can be used to practice previous year question papers after you completely finish the whole syllabus of each subject. So with this we complete the 30-day study plan. So now coming to some smart study tips. The first most important point is always adhere to your study plan strictly. Follow the study plan which you have created very strictly. Then the second most important point is always study important or repeated questions asked in your previous year question papers first. Don't keep them for the last minute study. Third important point is allocate proper time for each topic. Don't keep studying a single topic for 3 to 4 hours and then you will not be able to finish the subject according to the planned timetable. Take always a 5-minute break after 1 hour of a crucial study, which is very much important, students. The next important point is keep away from all the distractions like your phone, chatting, etc. with just 1 month left for exams. And also take 6 to 7 hours of sound sleep every day to keep your mind fresh and to grasp the new topics which you are studying easily. So these are the few tips and tricks how to prepare for your exams and to score 90% marks. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. Thank you.